Spending your free time doing simple micro tasks like taking surveys or downloading apps is definitely more productive than endlessly scrolling through social media, right? Sure, it won't make you a millionaire overnight, but earning something is always better than nothing. Instead of wasting time on Instagram Reels or TikTok, why not make a few extra bucks? That's where Swagbucks comes in. It's affiliated with Inbox Dollars, they're part of the same company. But while Inbox Dollars is often limited to the US or UK, Swagbucks is available globally. That means no matter where you're from, you can sign up and start earning. And yes, the value of the US dollar might vary depending on where you live, but that can actually be an advantage. If you're in countries like India, the Philippines, or parts of Africa, this could be a fantastic opportunity. So, how do you get started? Just sign up using your Google, Apple, or email account. Once you're in, you can begin completing simple microtasks. Beyond that, there are options like cashback from receipts and online shopping. Platforms like Swagbucks and Upromise have solid reputations. Swagbucks has a 4.3 rating. They've been around a long time, so it's not some fly-by-night operation. Think of popular stores like Amazon, Best Buy, Home Depot, Sephora, Nike, and Walmart. You can earn while shopping at any of them. After signing in, you'll need to verify your email. It's a quick step. Just click the verify button in the email they send you. Then you can take your first survey. It's worth 5 SB points, and it serves as a kind of introduction or profile survey. Think of it as a KYC. It helps the platform match you with more relevant opportunities. This first survey takes just a minute and includes basic questions like, what gaming platforms do you use? How many people live in your household? What languages do you speak? Once you complete it, more surveys will become available to you. New ones are added regularly. You'll earn SB points, with 100 SB equaling $1. In the dashboard, you'll find different sections. Under Answer, you'll find surveys. Under Play, you'll see mobile game offers. After selecting your device, Android or iPhone, you'll see game-based tasks you can complete for SB. For example, Rise of Kingdoms offers a whopping 112,150 SB, which is over $1,120. Zombie Waves could earn you $240 if you reach all in-game checkpoints. Each game has milestones like reach level 25 or complete chapter 3, and you get rewarded as you progress. It's a fun way to earn without much pressure. So instead of passively browsing Instagram, consider turning that downtime into real income. Explore the Shop section too. Click Shop Home to browse cashback offers from different stores. You'll need to manually add the stores you're interested in, but there's a short tutorial to help you. You can browse categories like accessories. Computers and apps, finance and banking offers may vary based on your country. Important tip: disable your ad blocker when using Swagbucks. Some offers won't appear otherwise since the platform relies on ad revenue. One more platform to consider is Pull Pay. It's nearly identical to Inbox Dollars and Swagbucks, even visually. The great part? You can use all three together, tripling your potential income. So don't limit yourself. Try them all out, see what works best for you, and turn your spare time into cash. We're living in the age of AI. There are now micro jobs for AI testing, like reviewing chatbot responses or identifying bugs in new tools. Some platforms pay you just to interact with AI systems. I've got videos on this topic, or you can find other creators talking about them too. These jobs are only increasing, and they're often flexible and remote, perfect for earning on the side. Bottom line, put your time to good use. Whether it's surveys, games, cashback, or AI testing, it's all better than mindless scrolling. The more time you put in, the more you'll earn. Best of luck, and I'll see you in the next one.